Local Memphis Live continues with your host, Amy Sparopoulos.
It is never too late to improve your health. What about making sure our seniors have affordable health care? We can't forget our seniors as they go into the golden year. Nobody wants to forget us. We know that. We are here this morning with Rita Smith, Executive Vice President of Patriot Health. Over 30 locations, two of which are here in the Mid-South. I get so excited when I talk to you about this because the passion and the need is so real. Rita, welcome, by the way.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you so much. Yep. This is the real deal, and you have come in at a perfect time. You realize this need through your own personal experience.
That's correct. I have a father that's approximately 80 years old, and we were doing our surveys for where the new expansions should be, and when Humana and CMS approaches. And Memphis has a real need for some good quality care for our seniors. One of the biggest things we do, and I've realized, is that, you know, when a senior needs to see a doctor, they need to see him right then and there. You know, we can't give them appointments for 2 weeks out and all these visits to specialists and all of that. So we're eliminating that. And we have a firm policy here in the Memphis area that if you make it in before the doors close, you'll be seen.
Wow.
And that's going to be it. And, you know, we're really focusing on this big diabetes epidemic. So we're doing the test strips and the meters in our office to the patients at no cost because we want everybody to have it and test and give. But you got to be truthful about it because the meters are computerized and all we have to do is plug them up and it'll tell us.
Absolutely,
The exercise classes that we'll be doing.
Which is fabulous. And that's through the Y, right?
No, it's through Silver Sneakers.
Silver Sneakers, right? Yes.
And we're going to also have our own trainers that will go out to people that can't get to the site.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And we're going to see how that works for about a year.
I love that.
But here in Memphis, the exciting thing is there's no premium and no copay.
I know, and that's unbelievable because here these people have paid for their whole lives and now they're being told you got to pay more. And what is that about?
I'm a very big advocate of, I don't understand why you pay for Medicare and the fees all your life, and then when it's time to use it, they want you to pay again. I just don't believe in that. And I think it's wrong. And I'm on a big campaign and a big fight about that. Dr. Roy Hinman, our chairman and CEO, that'll be here.
It's fabulous.
Is a big component of taking care of patients and being preventive. Remember, I mean, there's only 4 major things that can happen to a senior: cholesterol, diabetes, blood pressure, and COPD.
Absolutely.
We're focusing on the falls now, so that's why we're doing the exercises and trying to make sure everybody get done. But the plan here that we've worked out with Humana Medicare Advantage Gold is unbelievable and can be matched by none. I mean, we tried to eliminate every cost possible that can eliminate. Transportation is at no cost, and you can come to the clinic 90 times a day if you need to come.
And the response has been overwhelming. I see you everywhere. I hear your ads. And people are talking about it in the community, which tells me 2 things. It's greatly needed, and it is coming with open arms from so many people who really need this service.
We've had some definite positive feedback. The new centers are opening, and we're getting people in on Unix and Linux. We do have an tentative plan to do 2 more expansion clinics.
Oh, fabulous.
In North Memphis and further north toward the Raleigh area. And we're looking at that now, but we're going to get these basic 2 up off the ground and get them going. And it's a clinic for all people.
Thank you for mentioning that.
For all 65 and over, Medicare or Medicare, Medicaid qualified, and we just want to take care of them. And I'm just, you know, I've got this real thing about coming back home and doing the thing. I never would have thought I'd be saying it.
Isn't that amazing? Because he moved, if you don't know, Mr. Rita Smith moved away to Florida and really was kind of going retirement mode a little bit. You know, somebody like yourself and being with the Med for many, many years, that was your history and background. But you are coming full strong back to the Mid-South.
I definitely, I think my new word for this year, if I had a New Year's resolution,
Tell me.
It's just impact. And I think I'm going to take that word and and try to really make it prevalent, not only in our organization, but in my personal life, is that wherever we go, and I tell the staff this, let's leave a strong impact.
That's beautiful.
And let's say we're going to do that for the community.
Absolutely. You can join him on the mission. You too can leave an impact. Patriot Healthcare. The website is patriothealth.care. It's never too late to improve your health. 2 Mid-South locations. Give them a call at 1-800-401-8988. That's toll free, by the way. Or go by their website at patriothealth.care. Thank you so much
Thanks
for joining
having
us.
me. This has certainly been a pleasure. I look forward to seeing you again.
Absolutely.
Good.
Coming up, we are going to showcase a Mid-South artist who's tapped in, she's been tapped rather, to make her debut at this year's New York City Fashion Week. We'll show you why as we introduce you to Tenji after the break.